Hello friends, what's up? Today's video how to make money online without investment. So let's start it video. Fast and end watching please. So let's start it video. So first open Chrome browser or Google any browser. Then search or type web address. Search SELL dot AppSumo.com. So enter her. Let's enter and begin sell and earn money online. Okay, selling your digital products and earn money without investment. So we scroll down and details. The monthly visit site 1 million and revenue and generate $1 million. Product listed of our October 2021 2k plus 2000 plus. So let's start it. Account sign up and earn money. AppSumo is the #1 digital marketplace of entrepreneurs. List your digital products of free and reach our 1 million customer. Okay, I hope understand. So start selling, click now. Then email address, create account. Then create account, email address and sign up. I have already signed up. Press button. You know account, sign up or create account. Okay, so first of all, easy way, sign up with Google. Easy way, click here to sign up with Google. Okay, so sign up complete. Start any your phone, log in any Gmail account and click here to choose better Gmail and sign up. Okay, I hope understand how to create account. Next, product sell. Okay, product sell and earn money online at easily. So A to Z, step by step, follow me. Sell product and AppSumo. Any website selling and promote and anything, everything A to Z. So sell product and AppSumo. Once you start selling, all your listing will show up here, ready to sell and AppSumo. Click start selling to list your first product. Okay, interested in AppSumo, selected email partnership @appsumo.com for details. Start selling. So now click start selling. Creating submission. Name of your product. Your product name. Website optional. That's anyway. You're not interested to escape. Support email optional. You're interested to no select, no problem. Your product name, enter your product name, anything name, product anything name. Insert tips, health product and support phone number optional. Okay, optional. Add categories, 3 photos option. Category, what category? Education, e-commerce, dashing, data analysis, course, content, client management, CRM, accounting, HR, legal, Mexican, proxy, SEO, sales, security, social media, stock photos, support video, web development, WordPress. Okay, so product my product select your e-commerce. Done. Next image. Okay, তো next image, এখানে আমাদেরকে image or 5 upload image, upload cover image, your product photo. Okay, upload then high quality image, boost customer trust. Okay, high quality image, customer trusted your product. Upload cover image, upload 5. Okay, so I upload image. Next copy, so skip now the video, upload image. Okay, upload image and submit. Next, the description, your listing, your product, anything, something. Right now description, product about and feature. Product copy, tell us about your product. Do not forget features. Okay, future, do not forget benefits and what's interaction. Any idea, list your key selling by important. For more tips and explanation, great listing. View our copy guidelines. Okay, copy guidelines, description of your listing. Any descriptions, words, maximum words 300, and your listing. My products very important. Please set. Okay, anything. Next paging, you anything's your product dollar, $100 price of selling price extra dollar comparison dollar 95 dollar market dollar at feature के no feature के. Okay, enter access favorite key, add to favorite key. Okay, health key. ওকে, এখানে 10টা দিতে হবে ফেভারিট কি, and then next reputation. Okay, and then run. Call list product and buy sell any product and profit. How to buy your product and selling products and something reboots your learn more. Buy now. So, and then any products, buy sell anyhow, buy sell anything, any charts, any get also any product buy and sell very easily and earn money. Any others company buy sell and others company limited buy sell and your business up to growing up. I hope understand attitude. I can sign up product sell and reverse. I hope understand. Video finish it. Bye. I hope you understand. Please like, comment, share and support. Okay, so search any item, search anything search item, anything seller and conversion, how to get money online. So we are best person. So done this video. Bye bye.